Here's how to fix Steam Error Code E87. The first method is to right-click your Steam desktop shortcut and select Properties. Click the Shortcut tab and highlight everything in the target box, then right-click and copy it. Close the window, press Windows R to open Run, paste the copied text into the Run box, add a space followed by /repair at the end, then press Enter. Steam will run a repair and should open successfully. If that does not work, you will need to do a clean reinstall. Press Windows R, type %local app data, and press Enter. Scroll to the Steam folder in alphabetical order, right-click it, and delete it. Then search for Add or Remove Programs, find Steam, and uninstall it. Finally, open your browser, go to store.steampowered.com, and click Install Steam to download and reinstall it fresh. A clean reinstall clears any corrupted files that could be causing the E87 error. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.